After more than 50 years, humans are finally going back to the moon. But this time, it's not just a short visit. NASA is planning something much bigger. Here are 5 secrets about NASA's return to the moon that most people don't know. First woman and first person of color will land on the moon. During the upcoming Artemis Program missions, NASA plans to land the first woman and the first person of color on the moon. The last time humans walked on the moon was in 1972. Now, this mission represents a new generation of astronauts and a historic step forward in space exploration. NASA wants to build a long-term moon base. This mission is very different from the old Apollo missions. Instead of short visits, NASA plans to create a long-term human presence on the moon. Astronauts could stay there for weeks at a time. The moon will become a testing ground for technology needed for future Mars missions. In other words, the moon is just the beginning. There is frozen water on the moon. Scientists have discovered frozen water hidden inside dark craters near the moon's south pole. This ice could be extremely valuable. It can be used for drinking water, making oxygen, and even producing rocket fuel. That's one of the biggest reasons NASA is returning to this exact region. A space station will orbit the moon. NASA and its international partners are building a small lunar space station called the Lunar Gateway. This station will orbit around the moon and act like a transfer point for astronauts traveling between Earth and the lunar surface. Think of it like a parking station in space. Astronauts will stop there before continuing their journey. The moon mission is preparing humans for Mars. NASA's return to the moon is not the final goal. It's actually practice for something even bigger. Scientists want to learn how humans can live and work far away from Earth for long periods. Everything learned on the moon will help prepare astronauts for future missions to Mars. The moon is the first step toward becoming a multi-planet species. Imagine living on the moon one day. Would you go if you had the chance? Comment yes or no below, and subscribe for more amazing space facts every week.